another view. See, it's a fantastic place to stay here. जनाब, ऐसा वेदर देखा होगा आपने? कितना खूबसूरत रब कायनात ने इतनी खूबसूरत जगह बनाई हुई है. It is simply awesome. Let's see whether I can pass it here. What an interesting manuscript, the art. See, this is on different culture and different aspects of Africa in this one statue. They have their agriculture tools, the defense tools, the hunting tools. Yes, everything they have. So it is an amazing statue. I have never seen such a good statue before this. From agriculture to household. This is in Uganda.
Poi ha detto vabbè, forse mi sta suggestionando. 2% può darsi, perché a me il resto 98%.
This is the house.
Non si vede nulla a me, però forse me lo posso questi, grazie. No, non riesco.
Allora aspetto che mi dai il telefono. Ok, grazie.
Secondo me devi un po' monitorare se escono nuove punture o no.
Ma io sono allergica.
Ah,
Sì.
beh, allora, mio figlio aveva 8 anni, ascolta, il mio figlio aveva 8 anni, stava al centro.
So this is my dream car, and they are my French friends. So I'm inviting them to Pakistan to visit Pakistan, and they will come to Pakistan, inshallah.